everyone, welcome to Sweet Pea Stitch Inspirations, and today we are going to be learning how to do the sprig stitch. Now this is a very basic beginner friendly stitch. If you know how to do a single crochet and a chain, then you're already halfway there with this stitching. Now when you do your foundation chain, you will do any kind of multiple of 4 plus 3. Again, that is a multiple of 4 plus 3. Now the extra 3 stitches that we'll be chaining is our chain up to go up to the next level. This is a 1 row repeat, but we have to do 2 rows in order to get it started. Other than that, I think that's really it. So go ahead and grab your hooks and your yarn and we will go ahead and get started. If you are following along with me, I chained up 12 plus 3, so 15. But again, you can chain up as many as you would like as long as a multiple of 4 plus 3. So let's go ahead and get started. So we are going to go ahead and skip those first 3 stitches. And in that 4th stitch, we're going to place 2 single crochets into the same stitch. Again, that is in the 4th chain from the hook. We are placing 2 single crochets. Now we are going to chain up 2 and then we're skipping the next 2 chains. Again, we are going to place 2 single crochets into the next stitch, which would be that 3rd stitch. And then chain 2, and that is going to be our repeat until we get to the last stitch, which will be a single crochet. So again, skip 2 stitches and 2 single crochets into that 3rd stitch. Chain 2, skip 2, 2 single crochet. Chain 2, and in that last stitch, a single crochet. So once you have made it to the end of your first row, we are going to chain up 3. And this is going to be row 2. And this is also going to be your repeating round. So in each of the chain 2 spaces that we made in row 1, we are going to place 2 single crochets, a chain 2, and 2 more single crochets in those chain 2 spaces from row 1. Okay. And then in the next one, we're also going to do the same thing. 2 single crochets, chain 2, 2 single crochets. And that is going to be our repeat until we get to the end of this row. So again, 2 single crochets, chain 2, 2 single crochets. Once you have made it to the end and that chain 3 space from row 1, we are going to place a single crochet. And then we are going to chain 3 and turn our work. So again, in each of those chain 2 spaces that we made, so you will skip all of these stitches. In chain 2 space, we're going to again do 2 single crochets, chain 2, 2 single crochets, skipping these 4 in that chain 2 space, 2 single crochets, chain 2, two single crochet, skipping these 4 in that chain 2 space, 2 single crochet, chain 2, 2 single crochet, and again skipping those 4, 2 single crochet, chain 2, 2 single crochet. And in that last stitch, which will be the chain 3 space from the previous round, we are going to do 1 single crochet. And that is it for the sprig stitch. You would just continue doing that repeat until you get whatever length that you would like. Now if you enjoy this tutorial, I do have other tutorials out as well. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to email me, which my email will be down in the description box, also in my about page. I also have a Ravelry if you would like to check that out. But please don't forget to give me a like, share, comment, or subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.